Some of us struggle to read more if we are not alone. Even if we do manage to read more, we struggle to fully comprehend and internalize what it is that you have read. For that reason, I have compiled 7 ways for how to read effectively, which will enable you to not only read more, but to fully understand and enjoy what you have read. Please watch the video to the full and do not skip in between so that today you cannot miss something useful. So, without further delay, let's begin our channel. Number 1. Before reading, ask questions. Before you start reading a book, you should have a basic idea of what the book is about. This allows you to ask yourself two simple questions before you start to read a book. They are, what do I already know and what more do I want to know? The answers to these questions will give you a foundation to build on and something which you are looking to get out of the book. This means you are not just reading a book without an objective, but instead you are actively looking to learn something from the book. Number 2. During reading, take small pauses and ask more questions. As you are reading, you need to take small and intermittent pauses to ensure that what you are reading is sticking. Ask yourself the following questions as you are reading. How does this information connect to what I already know? What does the writer say about? By asking yourself these questions as you read, you are constantly evaluating what's being said. By looking at what the author is explaining as well as the meaning behind it, you will understand the thinking process more effectively. Number 3. During reading, take a longer pause after a difficult section. You want to make sure you are fully understanding what is being read. So, when you come across a difficult part of the text, it's important to stop and do the following. Pause and think what was discussed. Break the text into smaller chunks. Look up words which you did not understand. Discuss what you read with someone. These steps will make sure you have fully proceeded and understood this section before you move on. Number 4. During reading, visualize. To better understanding what you are reading, it's important to make visual representations of what is being discussed. This will help you to remember not only what you read and understood, but how it looks as it is functions. Number 5. During reading, make connections. A critical part of learning and understanding something new is to connect it with pieces of information that you already understood. Number 6. During reading, take good notes. The best ways to take good notes during reading are: look for the main ideas and focus on those. Use words that you understand. Use simple headings and subheadings to organize your notes. Number 7. After reading, find the main ideas. You have completed the book, made effective notes, took time to reflect and understand as you read, and asked yourself good questions as you read. Now that the book is done, you need to think about the important ideas in the book. Ask yourself the following questions. What was the most important thing you remember about the book? What was the main message of the book? What did this book leave out? The last question will give you the opportunity to do some research and find another book to continue your learning. Make connections and continue to read more effectively. There is no friend as loyal as book. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and share my video and comment your feedback in the comment box below. By the way, do not forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell button to get notifications when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching and Jai Hind.